30 Best All-Natural Sugar Alternatives. Here are our 30 best sugar alternatives which are vegan and keto-friendly, starting with Stevia, a zero-calorie sweetener extracted from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant with zero glycemic index, also known as candy leaf, sweet leaf or sugar leaf. Monk fruit contains natural sweetness without calories or carbohydrates, suitable for diabetic diets. Erythritol, a sugar alcohol with almost no calories and doesn't affect blood sugar levels. Xylitol, another sugar alcohol with a low glycemic index and may improve dental health. Allulose, low-calorie sweetener found naturally in small amounts in certain foods with minimal impact on blood sugar. Agave nectar, sweeter than sugar, derived from the agave plant, but should be used sparingly due to its high fructose content. Honey contains antioxidants and nutrients, but should also be used in moderation due to its high calorie and sugar content. Maple syrup, rich in antioxidants and minerals like zinc and manganese, but it's still high in sugar. Coconut sugar contains some nutrients and has a lower glycemic index compared to regular sugar. Date paste made from blended dates, rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals, providing sweetness with added nutrients. Molasses provides iron, calcium and other minerals, but it's still a form of sugar to be used in moderation. Brown rice syrup, made from fermented brown rice, it's less sweet than sugar but still contains carbohydrates. Yacon syrup, derived from the yacon plant, with a low glycemic index and containing prebiotic fibers. Lucuma powder, a low glycemic sweetener rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc. Blackstrap molasses contains iron, calcium, magnesium and potassium, but it's still high in sugar. Fruit puree, blended fruits like apples, bananas or berries can add natural sweetness and nutrients to recipes. Stevia leaf powder, made from dried stevia leaves, it's a natural sweetener with 0 calories and no effect on blood sugar. Applesauce provides natural sweetness and moisture to baked goods, reducing the need for added sugars. Banana mashed ripe bananas can replace sugar in recipes, adding sweetness and moisture. Dried fruit, chopped dried fruits like dates, raisins or apricots can sweeten dishes naturally with added fiber and nutrients. Cinnamon adds natural sweetness and flavor to dishes, reducing the need for added sugars. Vanilla extract enhances sweetness and flavor in baked goods without adding extra calories or sugar. Almond extract provides a rich flavor to recipes, reducing the need for excessive sugar. Nut butters, peanut, almond, or cashew butter adds natural sweetness and healthy fats to recipes. Coconut butter, made from pureed coconut meat, it adds natural sweetness and creaminess to dishes. Coconut flour, rich in fiber and protein, it adds sweetness and texture to recipes without spiking blood sugar levels. Almond flour provides nutty flavor and moisture to baked goods, reducing the need for added sugars. Arrowroot powder acts as a thickener and sweetener in recipes without adding extra calories or sugar. Psyllium husk adds bulk and sweetness to recipes while promoting digestive health with its high fiber content. Chia seeds absorb liquid and provide natural sweetness and texture to recipes, along with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber.